clothes off the floor and drinking tea. But she don't love me, that's news to me.
Hello everybody and welcome back to AM Hooked. I'm Anastasia and today I have a wonderful tutorial sponsored by Lion Brand Yarns. This is their Pound of Love in the colorway number 116, Succulent. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus on that. I apologize once more. I'm still in the process of moving and there's a power out, so I'm doing what I can with the camera right now. This is a beautiful yarn. It's wonderful quality, very soft. I would say, you know, it's probably more considered their economical line, like Red Heart Super Saver, something like that. Yet it is of much better quality in my opinion. Of course, that's only my opinion. It is a weight 4 yarn, and they suggest a 5mm hook, and you get an amazing 1,020 yards in this. Just a wonderful yarn that I want to highlight. We're going to be doing, I'm using a, before I get there, I'm using a boy hook today. I'm a boy user. If you're a Bates user, you can use Bates, it doesn't matter. This is a 6.5mm hook. I do suggest with the stitch I'm going to be teaching you, which is the bean stitch, to use a little, like a size to a size and a half higher than they suggest on the yarn, because it is one of those yarns that you have to stitches that you have to pull through like a bunch of loops. And if your tension is very tight, I would even suggest going up to 2.5 sizes. And with that being said, we're going to go into the silent portion of the tutorial, which will be about the stitch, and all of the details will be written on here on the screen. I'm also going to be making like written documents with pictures, and I'm going to be putting them on my website if you'd rather print out and read how to do the stitch, or just read how to do the stitch off my website. That will be free on my blog, which again is www.amhooked.weebly.com. Now let's go on into our tutorial.
cargo on a tower that you made with plastic power. Your rhinestone eyes are like factories far away, where the paralytic dreams that we all seem to keep drive on engines till they weep. We're future pixels in factories far away. So call the mainland from the beach. Your party's now washed up in bleach. The waves are rising for this time of year, and nobody knows what to do with the heat. Under sunshine pylons we'll meet while rain is falling like rhinestones from the sky. Of rock, seasons, the adjustments, signs of change. I can't see now, she said taxi. Now that light is all I can take. This storm brings strange loyalties and skies. I'm a scary gargoyle on a tower that you made with plastic power. Your rhinestone eyes are like factories far away. Fly over the beach, same time every day, same routine. A clear target in summer and skies are blue. It's part of the noise when winter comes. It reverberates in my lungs. Nature's corrupted in factories far away. Your love's like rhinestones falling from the sky.